Question: does eating garlic cause allergies? Answer: eating garlic can potentially cause allergies in some individuals. Garlic allergies are relatively rare, but when they occur, they can cause symptoms such as skin rash, itching, swelling, and digestive issues. If you suspect you have a garlic allergy, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and guidance. Question: who should not eat garlic? Answer: some people should avoid or limit their consumption of garlic, including individuals with garlic allergies. Those who are allergic to garlic should completely avoid it to prevent allergic reactions. People with certain medical conditions, garlic can interact with medications and exacerbate certain conditions like bleeding disorders and gastrointestinal problems. It's important to consult a healthcare provider if you have specific health concerns. Question: what happens if you eat garlic at night? Answer: eating garlic at night should not have any significant adverse effects on most people. However, some individuals may experience indigestion or heartburn if they consume garlic close to bedtime. If you have a sensitive stomach, it might be best to avoid heavy garlic consumption late in the evening. Question: what happens when pregnant women eat garlic? Answer: garlic is generally safe for pregnant women when consumed in moderate amounts as part of a balanced diet. In fact, garlic contains nutrients that can be beneficial during pregnancy. However, excessive garlic consumption might lead to digestive discomfort. As with any dietary changes during pregnancy, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian for personalized guidance. Question: what happens when garlic and milk are eaten together? Answer: there is a popular belief that combining garlic and milk can have negative effects, such as causing toxicity or indigestion. However, there is limited scientific evidence to support these claims. In culinary traditions, garlic and milk are often used together in various dishes, and many people consume them without experiencing adverse effects. If you have concerns, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional or dietitian for personalized advice. Question: what happens if you eat too much garlic? Answer: eating too much garlic, like consuming excessive amounts of any food, can lead to certain issues. Common side effects of excessive garlic consumption can include bad breath, digestive discomfort, and an upset stomach. Extremely high doses of garlic, such as through supplements, can also lead to more serious health concerns, including potential interactions with medications and blood-thinning effects. Question: does eating garlic increase sperm? Answer: there is no substantial scientific evidence to suggest that eating garlic can increase sperm production or improve fertility in men. While garlic does contain certain nutrients that are important for overall health, it should not be relied upon as a sole remedy for fertility issues. If you are experiencing fertility problems, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional or a specialist for proper evaluation and guidance. Question: does garlic help to retain youth? Answer: garlic is often touted for its potential health benefits, including its antioxidant properties and potential cardiovascular benefits. Some people believe that its antioxidant content may contribute to a youthful appearance, but there is no direct scientific evidence to support the idea that garlic can help retain youth. A healthy diet, including a variety of fruits and vegetables, along with other lifestyle factors like regular exercise and proper skincare, are more likely to contribute to overall well-being and a youthful appearance.